Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make sugarless banana bread. That's right, you heard sugarless. There's no sugar or no artificial sweeteners of any kind. Very simple, these are all the ingredients. So first of all, I took 5 very ripe bananas and I mashed them up in this bowl. So I have wet ingredients and dry ingredients. So I'm going to mix up the wet ingredients first. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg. Now I'm going to mix it up. Just get it all blended in. Next, I have the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients together. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients to the bananas and vanilla. Mix it up real good. See, you can do this in minutes. It's a very fast recipe. You don't need a mixer. I mean, you could use a mixer, but the spoon is just as fast. And you see, there's no sugar. The bananas are sweet because they're extra ripe too. The last ingredient is 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. I use walnuts, but you can use any kind of nuts. Mix it up real good. And this is it to the batter. Now I'm going to put it into small mini loaves, which I always line so I can reuse them. See how many we can get. Usually I do 3. Now I spoon it into my loaf pans. And usually one recipe takes 3 pans, so we'll see. Okay, pan number 2. You have to be careful about this paper because sometimes it kind of flops in. Oh, I think, yeah, 3 pans are fine on this one. And just kind of even it out. Just a little bit more. The 3 pans are ready. So what I usually do is I just lift it up and drop it for a few inches to get out all the air bubbles. And I have here a pan. I'll put the 3 mini pans in here, or mini loaves, because if you just put it on the shelf, and this is so tiny, sometimes it tips over. So now we're going to bake it at 45 minutes at 350 degrees preheated. It's been 45 minutes. Now I'm going to take out the breads. And I'm just going to take them out. And then how do you know it's done? I have a cake tester here. Just poke it in. Comes out clean, so that means it's ready. And usually, like I said, these pans only require 45 minutes. And now I can just lift it off. And like I said, I love these pans because it's easy to wash if I put in a liner. You have to use a commercial type of wax paper, not the regular household wax paper that's too thin. So I usually buy it in a box and I use it for a lot of things. Okay, it's kind of hot. I usually wait until it's cool, but I'm gonna cut it just to see how it is. It looks pretty moist, so let's cut it. There it is. And I'm going to taste a piece. Now I'm going to try a piece. Just enough sweetness, not overly sweet. Very, very moist. And remember, this has no butter, no oil, no sugar. So it's amazing. So try it out. And remember, if you like this recipe, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any requests, let me know. Mahalo for watching. Thank you.